Do you use any of those major sites, Realtor.com, or I don't know what
Yeah.
they all are.
So imagine it's the same in Texas, but here, our multiple listing service, if I have a listing and I'm hosting an open house, it's going to post. It's an internet, it's a data exchange, information data exchange. So it's going to post on Zillow, Redfin, Trulia, Realtor.com. So it's going to post to all of those websites that the people use to look for open houses.
So because I didn't know, and this was one of the questions that I had, do you just drive through the neighborhood looking for signs or what have you? And I know that we were in the Villages, Florida this last week. And so the Villages has their own app for this retirement, I say retirement community, it's an active adult community. And they have their own app. So we went on the app, we signed up for the app. And then once we downloaded the app, then it was able to show all of the places for sale as well as all of the open houses that week. And then by clicking on a home, then we were able to open up. It was kind of like a little version of what you might find on a real estate website, but then it would have like the price of the home and pictures of the home. And then it had some really great ads, like that was like a little description of the home. And some of them were just really crappy ads. And then it would show like a little map thing, and you would click on the map thing. And then based on where you were, it would give you directions to the open house. And so then it had the hours that were listed. So it'd be like, this is open from 2 to 4 or whatever. We're like, oh, it's 3:30. We can still make this one because it's nearby. So do you guys take advantage of apps like that are in the areas that you're listing in? How does that work?
Yeah, absolutely. Here we have the Nextdoor app. We have Facebook groups. For most communities, they'll have a community group. And then websites and apps like Zillow and Realtor.
Uh-huh.
You simply click on the filter button and scroll down and select open houses. It will show you all of the open houses that are happening today and this week in any given area. And all you have to do is zoom in on the map and it will show you for this neighborhood. These are the homes that will be open this week. These are the times. So pretty easy ways to find open houses.
And can you also search by a particular type? Like, let's say that we were downsizing and I was looking for a ranch style that didn't have stairs that go up and down. Do you have, or is there a way to search for like just one story only?
Really, yeah, on all of those websites, under the filter option, you just select one story, your price range, open houses for the weekend, and it'll populate those for you. You can cruise out and see them during the open house times.
Okay,
Absolutely. The only thing
awesome.
I would caution is while using those apps, the way Realtor, Zillow, these types of apps work is realtors pay for zip codes to be advertised in those zip codes. And so oftentimes when you click on a home, it'll say contact a realtor to get more information. Those websites sell your information because they're marketing companies. And so if you're just looking for open houses and you're wanting to get in touch with that realtor, I would suggest not filling out the form, or your phone is going to blow up for days or weeks with marketing companies from all over the place. And most of the time, it's not actually the realtor representing that particular property. It's someone who's
Ah,
representing the zip code. So
okay. Good to know. I appreciate knowing that. Thanks for explaining that.